Hi there, this is Doc Livingston from RE/MAX in T-Momenters, BC, and welcome to the latest in our series of educational video clips. Today we're talking about first-time buyers and the 4 steps. Number 1 step, most asked question, where do we start? Get a mortgage. Get your mortgage pre-approved. Get your financial part out of the way. Second step, sit down with your agent. Figure out what it is that you want in your price range, in the area that you want to be. Third step, go and see these properties. Find one that you absolutely love. And one thing that I can assure you, when you find the right home, it's going to jump out and say, here I am. Last step, here's where you put your agent to work, putting together your offer with you, presenting your offer to the seller or the seller's agent, and hopefully putting together an acceptable deal for you and the seller. So there you have it, the 4 steps. Any questions? Give me a call, love to explain. This is Doc Livingston. Bye for now.